This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this video, we will be showing you how to zoom in or out of photos using the Kdenlive title clip animation. Also, in this Kdenlive video, we will be showing you how to put the zooming in or out photo on top of another so as they can both coexist. As you can see in this view, I had to use a couple of rotate and shear, but those should not be important to you unless your photos are upside down. If you need to know how to do this, please refer to our video, Kdenlive, how to rotate a video clip. Notice for this Kdenlive project, how to use title clip animation to zoom photos in or out, I have chosen to use a composite transition instead of the default affine. You could use the affine if you like. I really think the opportunities with this Kdenlive animation zoom through title clips is endless, from product marketing to gaming or even news reporting. Once you bring up Kdenlive, right-click in the project window, scroll down to Add Title Clip, and click. When your title clip comes up, in the top left corner, click on Add Image. Once your image is added to the Kdenlive title clip, adjust the size as needed so it is easier to work with. The size I have is fine. Once this is done, once you have it centered in the Kdenlive title clip, go to the right lower portion and click on Animation. Here in Kdenlive, you have two functions, Edit Start and Edit End. Edit Start in the title clip zooms out, while Edit End zooms in. So let's start with Edit Start. Click Edit Start, then in the Kdenlive title clip, go to the side until you see the arrows form on your mouse pointer. Then by left-clicking and holding the click, drag the edge over while periodically centering. Take your time while doing this in Kdenlive. There is no rush, unless, of course, you have some type of deadline to meet. But keep in mind, if something goes wrong, you can always make changes afterward. Once you have everything centered and shrunken down in the Kdenlive animation title clip window, in the bottom right corner, just click OK. This will put you back in the project window of Kdenlive. You can now drag the title clip to the timeline and give your project a preview. Notice how nicely it zooms out. So now let's do a zoom in using the same technique with the Kdenlive title clip. For this example, I will use the same photo. Bring in your photo to the Kdenlive title clip. Do all your resizing needed, but this time click on End Start. Use the same procedure and shrink and center the End Start. Once this is done in the Kdenlive title clip animation window, go to the bottom right and click OK. Then once again, drag your new title clip to the timeline for a preview of the title clip. Notice how it smoothly zooms in. Notice the two affine. Well, we really do not need them, so I will remove them from the Kdenlive timeline and give you another preview to show you. So now in this Kdenlive project, let us add another animated title clip and place it on top of these two title clips. Right-click in the project window, go to Add Title Clip, then Add Image. This time I will bring in a different image for this Kdenlive title clip animation zoom example. Once you have added your image or photo, follow all the same procedures such as any resizing and centering in the Kdenlive title clip. Then click on the animation and decide which one you would like to utilize. For this example, I will choose End Start. Remember, this will cause a zoom in. Follow all the same procedures as before, shrinking and centering the End Start in the Kdenlive title clip animation window. Once you are finished and happy with the adjustments, click OK. Then, drag your new animated title clip to the timeline, placing it on top of the other two title clips on the Kdenlive timeline. Pushing the title clip all the way to the left, then dragging it to the full extent of the bottom two title clips on the Kdenlive timeline. Notice this is not quite what we are looking for. We need to add the transition. Although we could use the affine, I choose to use a composite. You could just delete the affine and click the transition list in Kdenlive. But It is just as easy to click the affine and use the drop-down arrow to choose the composite transition. Once you have the composite transition set, go to one of the corners in the video player of Kdenlive. See how it is red and squared. Grab it, dragging it to shrink it to an acceptable size. Once you think it is the right size, grab the crosshair in the center, placing it where you would want it to go in the Kdenlive video player. For easy adjustment, run a preview, then make adjustments if needed. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some way. And if so, why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber by clicking the subscribe button? And if you're interested in reading some interesting articles, then come on by our website at http://grephaxs.com. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.